morning, grade 11s. Welcome to Wednesday, April the 29th. I hope you had a good day yesterday and were able to get that little bit of reading done. Today, all I want to do is show you a little bit about standing waves. But before we get to that, I want to give you the verse of the day today. And so today, the verse comes from John chapter 16, verse 33, where in Jesus' words, he says the following: I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. So there you go, that's Jesus' words to you. Have peace, as knowing that he has overcome the world and that he is the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. All right, standing waves. In a moment, I'm going to show you a little bit of a demonstration of a standing wave using the spring that I've got attached here in my classroom. But what I want you to notice is a couple of things. You will see in the video that right about here, there will be a nodal point. So you'll see a standing wave, and there will be a point in the middle that won't be moving, and you'll see a loop here and a loop over here. You'll see this. Should work out. You should be able to see it. And what I do want to point out, though, is that what you'll be seeing is you'll see half of the wave. Now, this won't be on the video, but you'll see something like this, and then it'll go the other way. All right, and you'll have a nodal point at the end here, and you have a nodal point here. And what I want you to realize is that that distance is half of the wavelength. It is one crest, right? A full wavelength would be a full crest and a full trough up to the next crest. So when we have standing waves, little formula here, the wavelength divided by 2 will always equal the distance between nodes, and of course it goes vice versa. The distance between nodes times 2 will equal the wavelength. All right, we're going to transition to a little video here of me making a standing wave, and we'll watch it, and then I'll come back. All right, so now you've seen the standing wave. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense to you. You should have seen the nodal point in the middle. You should have seen a loop that was up and a loop that was down, and it looked like this point, well, it did. This point in the center, where the nodal point was fairly stationary, and that's because at that point, we had a reflected wave and an incident wave canceling each other out at that point. All right, so that's it for today. On Connect today, you're going to get an assignment. At the end of chapter 14, there are a bunch of questions that I want you to do. So you'll find that on Connect. And then Thursday, tomorrow, there will be no video. There will be no new assignment. All there will be for you to do on Thursday will be a poll. We're moving into the next section of waves, which will focus on sound waves. And so I've got a question for you in the form of a poll, and I want to see your answer. There will also be a discussion forum where if you want to defend your answer in the poll, you can do so, and I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas on your answer to the poll question. So that's all there will be for Thursday, and then Friday we'll come back with a new lesson on sound waves. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on Friday.